Your Honor is a thriller about a judge, Bishan Khosla, whose son Abir has hit a mafia gang leader in a road accident. The story is about the extent to which Judge Khosla can go to save his son. It is an interesting ride as he bravely squeezes out of seemingly inescapable situations and brazenly exploits the legal system which he is an expert of. Your Honor is an Indian adaptation of the Israeli TV series by the same name released in 2017. The story is definitely unique and seems to resonate globally. No doubt it is being made in the US as well, with Bryan Cranston of the Breaking Bad fame as the lead. The twists and turns make it an engaging watch. The narration is tight and moves fast that makes it binge-worthy. Characters get involved rapidly in the seemingly simple hit-and-run case that quickly turns into a murky gang war between the Mutkis, the Punjabi gang, and the Bhaiyas led by Pandit. Bishan's friend Kashi, played by Varun Badola, gets involved for a simple task, but soon sinks deep in the murk. His pregnant wife Indu, who is unwillingly pulled into the tale, Suhasini Mule as Abir's Nani, and a superb Meeta Vashisht as Police Inspector Kiran Sekhon, who is desperately trying to join the loose ends to find out what exactly happened. While the writers have tried their best to adapt it for the Hindi-speaking audience, there are some characters and incidents which might be commonplace in Israel but don't connect with India. The 18-year-old telling his judge father and retired judge Nani, "Bhaad mein jao" frequently, is highly improbable. This seems like a direct translation of "go to hell", which is commonplace in the Western societies. It is similar to the use of fuck in English films and series, for which an actual translation cannot be used in Hindi adaptation. Also, the police is shown treating the judge with disrespect, even manhandling, at multiple instances, which is definitely not possible in India. And there was no need for Nani to be a chain smoker, more so since Suhasini Mule doesn't even know how to hold a cigarette. Bishan Khosla putting his young female intern in the shower as she is stone drunk is okay. But why take off her clothes and then show her trying to kiss him, an angle which was never touched upon? Then there was the angle of Abir trying to woo his sports teacher at school, and everyone seemed to be cool about it. The director is E. Nivas, who directed the films Shool in '99 and Bardasht in 2004, amongst others, but had been missing for almost a decade. He has done a decent job of giving the souls of the character to the chosen actors, which is where the fault lies. I mean the casting. Except for Meeta Vashisht and Jimmy Shergill, both fantastic actors anyways, and to some extent Yashpal Sharma, leader of the Bhaiyas, I would have chosen different actors for various roles. Parul Gulati as Ruma, the newbie lawyer, had an unconvincing UP accent. Kunj Anand as a Mutki gang leader wasn't frightening enough. The biggest letdown was Varun Badola, who, quite unlike him, just couldn't get into the character. And shouldn't the IPS officer look like one? The production designer was also a weak element, as the locations could have been better. All discrete meetings happen in some weird locations. Where exactly in India do district courts have 5-star toilets anyways? Still, with all the glaring holes and often unbelievable twists, it is definitely worth a watch. Hindi moviegoers are not used to applying their minds too much. It is a short series with 12 episodes, so can be watched over a weekend. For the content, I would like to give it an 8, but I would remove 0.5 for miscasting and another 0.5 for poor adaptation. So the final score would be a 7. Subscribe to my channel if you liked it, share it with others, and post your comments to let me know if you agreed with my review or not. Mr. Memoji signing off. Bye-bye.